In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to flip your world upside down with a truth about artificial intelligence that'll hit you like a lightning bolt. Everyone's racing to master artificial intelligence tools, but here's the raw, unfiltered reality most are blind to. Artificial intelligence isn't your golden ticket, it's a commodity. If you don't grasp this now, you'll be roadkill in the race to the top. Think about it. The power of these massive language models is like oxygen. Early on, controlling oxygen, like in diving gear, gave explorers an edge to conquer the deep. Now it's everywhere, pumped into every corner of the world, practically free. The cost of intelligence is nosediving faster than a startup's valuation in a recession. Your toughest competitor? They'll have the same artificial intelligence models, the same analytics, the same blazing speed as you. So, if everyone's riding the same cutting edge rocket, how do you soar above the rest? You win by being the most human. You win by being a poet in a world of calculators. This is the double offense playbook, and it's your battle plan to dominate. First offense, non negotiable, no shortcuts. You've got to become an absolute fanatic about artificial intelligence. I'm not talking about tossing prompts into a chatbot for quick emails. Dive into the deep end, master its logic, its limits, its guardrails. Become the engineer who rewires it to hum like a dream. This is how you crush the grunt work, the 80% of your day that's repetitive, low value noise. Automate it, accelerate it, and build a foundation that's rock solid. But here's where I get heated because this is the mistake I see leaders make daily, and it's maddening. They stop at efficiency. They think mastering artificial intelligence's mechanics wins the war. Wrong. That's like showing up to a heavyweight fight with shiny gloves but no soul. The second offense, the one that clinches the crown, is mastering what artificial intelligence can't touch pure, unfiltered humanity. This is the poet strategy, and it's your ace in the hole. As artificial intelligence floods the market with data and insights, the real value spikes on its opposite, human connection. You can't automate trust. I've seen companies try, and it's a train wreck. You can't prompt your way to a client relationship that lasts a decade through thick and thin. And no tool can craft a company culture where people feel safe, inspired, and ready to run through walls. Artificial intelligence nails answers. Your edge is asking the questions that cut deeper. Artificial intelligence streamlines transactions. You lead transformations that rewrite the game. Artificial intelligence mimics patterns. You deliver original ideas, bold strategies, and empathy that shifts paradigms. Here's my core belief: the next 5 years aren't a tech showdown, they're a high stakes clash of brand and culture. When your product and your rivals are both polished to perfection by artificial intelligence, your brand, your story, your soul, your promise is the only thing that sets you apart. Your culture, that's the glue that keeps top talent when work itself is just another commodity. So, what's the tactical playbook? Match every dollar you spend on artificial intelligence with investment in human skills, empathetic leadership, complex problem solving, strategic communication. Elevate your frontline warriors, customer service, sales, client experience teams. They're not just staff, they're your poets, the bridge between cold algorithms and warm hearts, executing in a calculator driven world. This isn't about surviving artificial intelligence, it's about wielding it to set us free. For decades, we've forced humans to grind like machines, chained to repetitive tasks. Now we've got machines to play that role. Artificial intelligence liberates us to do what we were always meant to do: connect, create, lead with fire and passion. The winners of this era won't have the slickest tech, they'll be the most profoundly human. That's the timeless rule. Embrace it, live it, and watch your legacy soar.